we start with wing. Starting position is promenade position, man's right side to lady's left side. Man starts with left foot forward and closes left foot without weight, leading lady around to his left side. Let's look again. This time lady steps. Lady starts with left foot in promenade. Again, lady's left side connected with man's right side. And she goes forward, 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 outside partner on left side. Let's look again. So man has one step and lady has 3 steps. Lady starts with left foot, forward, forward and forward, outside partner on left side. Man looks to right, lady looks to left. And now we're teaching count. And 1, 2, 3. And next step, man will take outside lady on her left side. And again we're teaching count. 1, 2, 3. And next step is outside partner on left side. Now open Telemark from wing position. So man looks to right, lady to left. First step, man takes outside lady on left side, then to side, then brush and to side in promenade position. Let's look again. So starting position is man's left side to lady's left side. Lady starts with right foot. She goes back, then closes feet in heel turn, transfers weight to left toe and diagonally forward in promenade position. In promenade position, lady's left to man's right side is in contact. Let's do with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3. And again with teaching count. 1, 2, 3. Now let's look at exercise for heel turn. So we will start with a right foot, back, then draw heel, heel turn, transfer weight and step forward. Now with left foot, back, draw heel, heel turn and step forward. And back, close, forward, back, close, forward and back, close, forward. And now let's look at cross hesitation. So we start with ladies steps. Lady starts from promenade with left foot forward, then to side, then closes feet. And next step will be outside partner. Now let's look at man's steps. Man has only one step and then closing without weight, with right foot forward and then close and lower. Next step will be back, leading lady outside partner. And now with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3. And again from opposite direction, from promenade position, and 1, 2, 3. And next figure is outside spin. So lady looks to left and goes with right foot forward outside partner with big step. Then she closes feet on toes, step between man's feet and finish with pivoting action on right foot. Now let's look again. Man steps, So lady still looks to left, man starts with left foot, small step back, then forward outside partner, then to side, allowing lady step between feet and finish with pivoting action. Now with teaching count and 1, 2, 3. Let's look again with teaching count. Lady looks to left in starting position and 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at natural turn and open impetus. Man starts with right foot, forward to side, close, then lower, back, close, heel in heel turn, transfer weight to toes and to side in promenade position. Now lady steps. Lady starts with left foot, back to side, close, lower, forward between man's feet, to side around man, brush, and diagonally forward in promenade position. And now we will do with teaching count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now whole routine in slow motion. We prepare promenade position and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Again we prepare promenade position and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at routine in music. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.